Right. Now we're looking at the best question on the paper of CSEC Mathematics, which is statistics. And in question 5, it gives us the cumulative frequency distribution of volume of petrol needed to fill the tanks of 150 different vehicles. It tells us that 11 to 20, 24, 21 to 30, 59, just giving us the cumulative frequency. Then it asks us for the class of 21 to 30, determine the lower class boundary. 21 to 30 is right here. This right here. This group right here. So the lower class boundary is 20.5. All right, 20.5. Remember, this group is from 20.5 to 30.5. So that's the lower class boundary. Then it asks us for the class width. For this group, now the class width is going to be 30.5 minus 20.5. So 30.5 minus 20.5. So what we're getting is 10. So the class width is 10. All right, class width is 10. That is the class width. Class width is 10. 10 liters if you want to be more specific. It says how many vehicles were recorded in the class 31 to 40? How many vehicles were recorded in the group 31 to 40? Now, how to do this is, at this point, the cumulative frequency is 101. So we need to subtract these two from it to get how much was recorded for this group. So we subtract them to find out how much was recorded in 31 to 40. It's 101 minus the sum of the first two. And the sum of the first two is 24 plus 59. So you're going to add 24 plus 59. That will give you how much was recorded in 31 to 40. So 101 minus 24 plus 59. And that is equal to, we work that out. 101 minus 24 plus 59. That is 18. So 18 were recorded in this group. All right, 18 were actually recorded. 18, 24 plus 59 plus 24, 101 minus that. Something looks off with this one. It couldn't be, this shouldn't be 18 recorded. It's actually 59 tells us that 59 or more is less than, oh, it's actually 42. My bad. Oh, my bad right here, because this wasn't making any sense when I did the math afterwards. So my terrible mistake, it should be just 101 minus 59. That's crazy. That's a crazy mistake to make. That's 101 minus 59. All right, because remember, cumulative mean together. So altogether, cumulative mean that 35 between here and here, we add 35 to go to 59. Then between here and here, we add from 59 to 101 is 42. So truthfully, it's 42 there between 31 and 40. All right, that's what cumulative means. Truth be told, if we go from 101 to 129, mean this group would have 28 add to it, and this group would have from yasa to be 21. All right, so just to be very careful, cumulative just mean all together. Cumulative sum. All right, so in reality it's 101 minus 59, which we definitely know is 42. Nice and easy. Now, it says a vehicle is chosen at random from 150 vehicles. What's the probability that the volume of petrol needed to fill is more than 50.5 liter? What the probability more than 50.5? Now, only 21 bigger than 50.5, right? Only 21 of them. So out of the total of 150, only 21. And so the probability that the volume is going to be more than 50.5 liter. So the probability that V is bigger than 50.5 is equal to the total amount that bigger than 50.5, which we saw is 21 over 150. Now, if you want, you can go ahead and simplify it. I wouldn't, but let's just say you like when your answer is very much simplified, then you can go ahead and say 21 divided by 150, which is 7 over 50. For the persons that like simplified answer, it's 7 over 50. Nice and easy. Okay, let's go ahead. Then it says, Byron estimates that the median of petrol is 43.5. Byron estimates that the median is 43.5. Explain why Byron's estimate is incorrect. So looking at this, we know that the median occurs at the position of Q2. The position of Q2. The position of Q2, if you have 150, which pass 75 there, that's where the median occurs. Now the median is going to occur in between the group of 31 to 40. So clearly Byron wrong. The median is going to be between 31 and 40. All right, because the median occurs, the position of the median occurs at 150 divided by 2, which is 75. All right. All right. So we can explain that the median will occur in the group 31 to 40 because the median Q2, well, the median Q2, because the median Q2 occurs with the position of Q2, the position of the median being at 75. All right, that is when we have at least 75 vehicles. When you at 75 vehicle, at the 75th vehicle being at the 75th vehicle. All right, that would be the position of the median at the 75th vehicle. So clearly, but Byron is incorrect. The position of the median is going to be occurring at the 75th vehicle. And the 75th vehicle is going to occur in this group. So it's between 31 to 40. So it definitely can be 43.5. So the median will occur in this group. All right. Nice. Now, finally, it asks us now, on a partially labeled grid, construct a histogram to represent the distribution of petrol needed to fill the 150 vehicles. So we're going to go back to the table, and we always use the class boundaries to draw histogram with. So we'll go from 10.5 to 20.5 and so forth. So we're going to go from down here, so 10.5 to 20.5. So I'm going to call this 10.5. I really don't. 10.5. Let's say here's 20.5, 30.5, 40.5, 50.5, 60.5. All right, this is just estimate. All right, I'm not doing an accurate graph. So this is 20.5. This is 30.5. This is 40.5. Then 50.5. Then 60.5. Now, it's very important that when you're doing your histogram, it was very keen that we actually mapped out these. Remember we did right here that from here to here is 35, 42, 28, 21. These become important in the histogram. In the first group is between 10.5 to 20.5 is 24. So we're gonna look where 24 is. When we're doing the histogram, 24 is 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. 24 is right here. All right, 24 is right here. So I'm just gonna put the points here and here. All right, now I'm gonna construct our line now. This is way awful. Let's try and fix that. This is awful line, but nonetheless, you don't worry about that. That's 24. Let's fix this line a little bit. All right, so this looks fixed a little bit now. And this is 24. I just like to write the numbers above it, 24. Then the next one is going to be, we'll go around here. It's 35. From 20.5 to 30.5 is 35. So we're going to draw 35 now. So look for 35, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35 is here. So between here and here is 35. All right, that's going to be 35. The next one is 42. So 42 is going to be 1, 2, which is right here. So between 1, 2, between here and here is 42. All right, this one is going to be 42. Don't worry, we're going to label up the histogram and make it pretty very soon. All right. Then we need 28 and 21. 28 and 21. Then for 28, we're going between 40.5 to 50.5. We want 28, so we go down. This is 25, 26, 27. 28 is somewhere right here. We'll go over to here. This is 28 somewhere right here. That's 28 right there. Then for 60.5, it's 21. So we'll go down. So let me write 28. Then we go down for 21 now. We go down 21. 21 is going to be somewhere right here. All right. So just connecting them up now, it makes it a lot easier when we do it that way, just to connect them up in the final stages to give us our histogram. These are definitely not accurate, but I hope you put it much better. All right, so this is our histogram. All right, roughly this is how it looks. And this one was 21. All right, nice and easy. This is our histogram for the 3 marks. Now finish, that looks like question 5 is out the way. Nice.